Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, market is still the same. Market looks confusing and market is almost flat, you can see. This is the hourly chart of gold in front of us and we can see that we do not have a clear trend present. So what does it mean? It means that we need to stick to our level to level trading and mostly we will be looking for 40 pips only, because from here after few days or few weeks when the market will be trending again, then we will be sitting on a position for a couple of days. But market is not the same every day, so we need to be flexible and we need to behave according to the situation. So at this moment situation is not very positive, especially for positional traders and swing traders, because we do not have clear swings also. Okay, for example, if you're a swing trader, then obviously you prefer to ride the swing, or you look for buy at support, seller resistance on higher time frame, and right now we don't have that as well. Okay, so this is a typical day traders market, so try to stick to the levels for safety. Okay, so let's get started. So you can see gold prices inch higher on US rate cut bets. Middle is Xauusd. Yesterday we got to see some upside on gold, but gold again came down. But at this moment, okay, we do not have any major event that will be driving the market. But yes, any middle is tension may bring some upside to the market, may bring some crazy volatility again. So please be in touch with the news. Now let's look at the economic calendar here. This is the economic calendar, and my dear friends, you can see that on the economic calendar also we do not have any major event that will be driving the market crazy. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that the previous fundamental factors effect shall continue. Means NFP and NFP, okay, made us confused. So okay, so we can expect that the present condition of the market will remain throughout this week. Clear? So let's look at the trading opportunities then. My dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to talk about chart prime. If you do not have much time for the market for proper analysis, and if you're also looking for signals on the screen like this, then yes, chart prime can be the best solution for you. They have three powerful indicators, my dear friend: market oracle, market dynamics, and prime oscillator. They not only generate buy and sell signals, but also helps you to analyze the market better. For example, market oracle pro, you can see it tells us about the trend of the market, in which direction we can look for buy and sell signals. But also the prime oscillator tells us about the divergence, so that you can understand the momentum and take trades. Apart from the divergence, the prime oscillator also marks the buy and sell signals. You can see the green arrows, red arrows, these are all signals generated by the prime oscillator. Personally, I have seen market oracle pro works better in a trending market, whereas prime oscillator works better in a sideways market. And if you love to trade on SMC, then yes, the market dynamics will be very useful for you. If you want to learn more about the indicators, okay, you can just check out their tutorials page on the website. Okay, you'll see a long list of videos. You'll get the idea. My dear friends, right now they have three offers: monthly, quarterly, and yearly. Initially, you can go with the monthly option. And the best part is that they also give 7 days refund or money back guarantee. If you're not happy with the performance, okay, then you can obviously ask for the refund, but I'm sure that you will love it. So feel free to check out Chart Prime. The link is in the description. So at this moment, market is trading in a very tight range here. During the day, especially before the US session, if we see market going down, we can look for our first buy for 40 pips around 2311. Why 2311? You can see we have drawn FIBO from top to bottom here. Sorry, bottom to top here. And we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, this, and along with that you can see the previous resistance will also be working as support. Along with that we also have the moving averages. So if not a complete reversal from here, at least we can expect a bounce of 40 pips, isn't it? So 2311 is the first level where we can expect a bounce of 40 pips on the chart of gold. Okay, and the second level on the chart of gold is around 2304. 2304 because of FIBO 50% retracement level, and the previous resistance will be working as support, and the third level is around 2298. Okay, so these are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can look for uh, a bounce, quick bounce of 40 pips. So my dear friend, keep one thing that I need to mention here is that one level, one bounce only. For example, if market bounces from 2311, okay, then do not look for a bounce again. One level, one bounce policy, okay, for safety. So these are the three levels. Okay, keep in mind, okay, in case market shows a big red candle, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market or avoid trading for a moment, because we have many levels in the market, but yes, the levels are not permanent. So we also need to keep in mind that we are traders, or we have a limited capital. We are traders, not gamblers, so that we can not trade everywhere. Okay, we need to respect our capital. And if you see market going up, then the first thing that you need to observe here is the volume. Means you can also observe the size of the candle. Right now market is standing at 2324. If you see the market, okay, market forms a big green candle, okay, then obviously something is wrong. What you need to do is you need to look for news, because right now we do not have any major news that will bring us such a huge candle on the chart of gold. If the chart of gold has formed a big green candle, something must have happened, isn't it? Immediately look for a news, because anything on the middle is okay will bring a huge candle here. So if you see that there's a big green candle, then obviously no resistance is going to work, and you need to follow the trend of the market. But if there is no news, for example, if you see market going up and the size of the candles are like this only, means it's a normal market. Okay, in that case you can look for a sell around 2337. Earlier also we have discussed about this level. 2337 is the level where you can look for a quick sell of 40 to 50 pips. Why? Because we have FIBO 78.6% retracement level. You can see that almost all the levels we have derived today are on the basis of FIBO. So market is clueless. So FIBO is coming handy here. Okay, and the second level or second resistance where we can look for a sell is around 2347 to 2350. This is the second level, okay, where you can look for a sell. Okay, if you are looking, okay, if you can afford a bigger level, then you can also make it 2347.50 to 2353. This is a zone in a market. Okay, this is a zone in the market where you can look for a sell, and I think this is not a 40 pips zone. Okay, if market reverses from 2350 or around 2350, we may get an opportunity to make more than 40 pips, around 70-80 pips as well. So it all depends on the volume of the market. Let's wait and watch. But at this moment market is stuck in the middle. Okay, if you are also stuck, then in any buy or sell position, be on the trade, because whenever, okay, market is sideways, market is range bound, okay, you get your exit. If you have taken, suppose you have taken your buy somewhere around here, or if you have taken your sell somewhere around here, be on the trade, you should get your exit. But right now it is very difficult to understand in which direction the market will move. So position traders, swing traders, okay, do not take a position and sit as of now. Just wait for the market to give us a proper direction. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. And again I'm repeating, do not gamble. Okay, because in this type of market many traders lose their patience and take some bad trades and end up losing money. Okay, we are here to earn money, not to earn brokers for the brokers. Okay, so go for quality, not quantity. Bye bye.